My name's Nicola, I'm the call centre manager. I oversee all the inquiries coming in to do with renewables. It's a never evolving day, no 2 days are the same, it all depends on the inquiries we were tasking them to. We've got different funding structures for eco, private, ability to pay customers, we do commercial, we do utilities. It's quite diverse. The main challenge is trying to get the best for the customer and their property. We can offer upgrade of measures to save the customer money on their energy bills and obviously to try and improve fuel poverty, so we find that quite a challenge at times. I think because we actually care, we care about the customer. Been in this industry for a long time, you hear quite a few horror stories about the way the customer's been treated, their installations going wrong. I feel that we care more about saving the customer money than actually making money as a company.